Everyone makes mistakes. Some just pay a higher price than others. I have a friend in prison who I love and support, but sometimes I just don't have time to go out and do research or go to the post office and get a money order. So that's why I went through Prisoner Assistant, and now they handle that for me and they can deposit money directly into his account. Now he feels like he has a purpose and he's becoming more independent, and that's really exciting. He no longer feels like he's a burden on his friends and family. So now he's preparing for release in December of 2014, and he's becoming the man I always knew he was. He has increased his credit score by 230 points, and he's writing his first book. He has awesome musical emails, and he sent a photo book to me. What can I say? It's really hard to think that the first minutes on the phone we have are all about doing stuff for him or follow-ups, but this is what we have to put up with, and I'm just very excited for December of 2014. I'm hoping that if my feelings are the same, he'll feel the same way, and hopefully maybe we could take our relationship a little bit further. So I just have to thank Prisoner Assistant for this, and it is really, really amazing what they've done.